Now let's go to the fabulous Orla Johannes, who's a radio host on the now trending show on CJED, and she's going to be announcing the second prize winner, and we're really excited to know. Orla, who is the second prize winner?
Thank you so much. Well, I am thrilled to be announcing the second prize winner of the Zensa Media Celebrity Chef Competition. Congratulations to a fantastic chef in Vancouver, Chef Vikram Vij, who owns Vij Restaurant and also the Shanty Restaurant in Vancouver. And I must pop in the next time I'm in Vancouver. I love Indian food. I grew up on Indian food and it speaks to my heart. So congratulations. You have won a $125 gift card for True Local Foods, also a customized chopping board and a framed poster from La Frame. Congratulations, Chef Vikram. I look forward to trying your culinary delights one day.
Namaste. I thank everyone who voted for me, and I'm truly humbled and honored to be in company of such great chefs of Canada. Namaste.